Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City. If you're listening to this first video, it's because you're curious about investing in real estate. And so therefore you're going, well, what is the place where we start? How do we get going in this if it's something that I want to do? Now, if you're here, I know you're interested. I know you need information, but I also know you probably have the ability to do this. And you're just not sure where to put your money. You have a successful business, or you're earning a good income, you put money back, you may have started a family, and so what you want to do is maximize your dollars in terms of, getting to that ultimate point, possibly of retirement down the road. And so it starts with you and I having an online meeting. Now, we use Zoom at this time. It's a good meeting video chat, and it allows us to see each other face to face, just like you're looking at me right now. I think it's very much easier for us to build a level of trust if we at least see each other, because honestly, 98% of my investors are not from the state of Oklahoma. They're from elsewhere. And so a lot of times they don't come to the property by the time it's contracted for. So it starts with trust, but it also starts with information. And that information is something that starts with your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. That's what I need to know about in terms of creating a plan. Is this a 5-year plan? Is this a 30-year plan? Is this so you can retire early, have early income? Maybe you have 2 children, and when they're born, you buy houses for them so that by the time they're in college, that they're not burdened by high student loan debt. Death is probably, for a lot of people, something that they pay the rest of their lives, and you feel responsible for your children in that respect. So these are the details that we want to go over with you so that we know how to create that plan for you. It may be a plan that starts with 5 houses at one time if it's a short term. It may be something that, you're 33 years old and you have all this time until you get to be 60 years old. So you may say, I'm just going to do this little by little, 1 house at a time. These are the details that we really want to go into you. Now, we also want to explain to you what services we give. I've been in real estate for 30 years. I've specialized in investment real estate. In fact, that's all that I do. We've got a great team. I've got great third parties involved. I'm in an excellent market, and that's something else that we need to talk to you about, not just investing in real estate, but in investing in Oklahoma City. So essentially, if I could kind of make a cliche type statement, it starts with you. It starts with what you want us to do for you. And can we supply that for you in a sense of confidence? Now, I'm going to let you know that, in these 30 years, I've trained a lot. My people have trained a lot. My property manager, my insurance person, everybody almost that works with me as an investor, we understand what it's like to go through this. My wife and I have been investors for a long, long time. We're still buying real estate. This is our love, but it's also our business. And our business for you is to start with a level of professionalism so that you can see that what we do is delivered metric-based. And in that metric base, we want to make sure that that first investment of yours is the absolute best investment you can do. I don't take risk. I don't want you to take high risk. And that is how we're going to put this plan together. Because know how important your money is to you, because it's also important to us. So that's the first start of this. We're going to have a meeting. 4 more videos, or, there's no way I can go with all the details that you need to know about all of this. There's a lot of filling in the blanks that we're going to do in the meantime. So stay tuned. 4 more videos coming. This should give you an introduction to investing in real estate from start to finish.